Iko sawa sasa.
Hello, today we want to look at the sequence and the series, and we want to start with a sequence. We are starting with sequence, and sequence we have two types of sequence where we talk about arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. I've said arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. And we want to look at the arithmetic sequence where it involves some, in fact, addition. Let me use the word addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. And for geometric sequence, we shall look at multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Those are the two terms that we want to use for arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. Now, to start with, I have to start with arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. And I want to give an example of a sequence. And you know, sequence is just a pattern. A sequence take 2, 4, 6, 8, and it will continue. Therefore, for our case here, the 2 is our first term. 2 is our first term, and we use letter A. We use letter A. Then, for the difference 4 minus 2, which I mean second term minus the first term, we'll have what we call the common difference, which is 2. So our 2, when you subtract, you get 2 as our common difference. Common difference. And this common difference, we are using letter D. We are using letter D. And therefore, for you to find D, you have to say it is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term. So in that order, that's what you find the common difference in that order. And this one forms a pattern that we are saying it is arithmetic. Why am I saying semi-arithmetic? For you to get 4 from 2, you add 2. Then for you to get 6 from 4, you again add 2. And therefore, you can see this common, it is just a common number that is addition of 2, 2. And therefore, you can we can find any term in the sequence. Let me give just an example of 10th term. The 10th term is you have to find, you have to calculate. Look at this. If you want to calculate, you have to move to write all of them in that order. So you continue. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, and then 18. Then we have that one. So it's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, and 10th. Now, instead of writing like that, we can use a formula. We can use a formula, and that formula, I want to write it here. It is A, then plus n minus 1 into d. If you use this formula, is to find the nth term of that sequence, and specifically for arithmetic sequence. Let us just look at this example and give and use it to see whether we have the correct answer. So our first term in this sequence is A, which is 2, plus the n is now the 10 we are talking about, the number we are looking for, then minus 1 times d. Common difference we have found, 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, then times 2. You will find that this is 2 plus 18, which is 20. You can see we have used that formula to find the 10th term. And that's how we can find the arithmetic sequence and the nth term of that sequence.